In front of me is XIAOMI 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on your icon at the top of it. Then select voice typing and use this switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on Now Visible Microphone at the top right corner. Then select while using the app and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!